Click the subscribe button, press the bell icon for more updates.
Pineapple juice and honey for a cough. Coughing. Your body doesn't cough just to cough, it is a mechanism or automatic response by your body to bring up mucus, according to Dr. Blair Bush of Prevention Health. The purpose of most cough remedies, including those with pineapple juice and honey, is to loosen mucus while soothing your throat. Natural cough remedies, in general, focus on achieving this without additives and synthetic ingredients that have the potential to cause negative side effects. Pineapple juice and honey remedy. To make your own pineapple juice and honey cough remedy at home, simply mix 1 tablespoon of honey into ½ cup of warm pineapple juice. Warming the pineapple juice will help the honey to dissolve more quickly and evenly. You can drink the mixture warm, or you can chill it or pour it over ice for if you prefer a cold beverage. For an optional take on this remedy, you can add the prepared mixture to a cup of hot tea. Unless a colder beverage is your preference, the soothing effects of the warmer option can be more effective in addressing a cough. Medicinal properties of pineapple. Pineapple is not just for drinks and desserts. Rich in the enzyme bromelain, research has shown that pineapple can be effective in treating lung inflammation that can be caused by excessive coughing, suppressing the urge to cough more, according to the National Library of Medicine. This study also indicates that the bromelain naturally present in pineapple may provide similar effects if the cough you suffer from is due to asthma.